Hello everyone, my name is Alex. Today I would like to show you how to install one of the most popular, I would not say the most popular, but one of the most popular web development framework, which is called Angular. With Angular, we are actually capable of developing from one code base to most of the devices, basically desktop application or mobile applications or just simple web page applications from one code base. All we have to do with the logic part of it and also some responsive things, but actually it doesn't matter. So in order to start the installation setup process, we're gonna have to install Node.js first. From the official website of Node.js, as of right now, the 14.15.5 is the latest version of it. I have already downloaded it. I'm going to install Node.js. I'm going to include it in the description um, below so you can install it easily. So let's start with the installation setup. It's just basically an next finish type of installation. Yeah, um, I would like to do, basically I will keep all the settings as it's by default. So and start installation. It's going to take a while because and also going to require administrative requirements of administrative rights to install it. So basically, oh, it's quite fast. What it's going to do is going to install your program files, the Node.js CLI for it. Node.js is not only good for Angular, but all kind of TypeScript or server side or client side application for your basically any kind of needs. Node.js is basically a scripting language for providing you information about anything about. Let's wait until it finishes before I get lost in Node.js, of course. So what's we got to do with Node.js? Node.js installs, as I have mentioned, the npm package manager by default. And by the npm package manager, we can install the Angular CLI. Let's wait until it finishes. As we can see, as of right now, it's 11.1.4 version of the CLI is available via the npm package manager. And here we can see the install command for it. As of right now, around just a little bit less than 2 million weekly downloads are available from or performed by the npm for Angular. So let's bring up the command prompt for to see what we have done. So node dash v is going to give us back the actual version of the node installed. So let's check that our npm is also installed with the npm -v command. It's also installed. Nice. So we go to need to npm e or install, and I go to add a -g of -g for the Angular CLI, which is provided here. What the -g is going to do is basically it will install the Angulars. I have made a typo. Angular, yeah. Uh, it's quite interesting that with the I there is also a package from npm. So let's not discuss that. So what the -g is going to do is that it's going to install in the program files and also the environment, the Angular CLI. So we can use it not only in one of our projects, but all of our projects. For example, in order to create our new project. Oh, this was quite fast. Usually it takes a longer time, but I can see that it's from the cache it's downloaded. It's quite a huge package for us. So basically the Angular CLI provides us with the basic component requirements for us with the ng command and then ng generate. And then let's see what we can generate. For example, or we can just write there ng --help. Basically what we can generate is an application of class of component directive. We're going to discuss later what are these, but basically what we're going to need for starter is the application for to create a new application. So basically, guys, that was all for today. How to set up your new environment. We can see that it's working. The Angular CLI is well defined and installed. So thank you for your attention. And don't forget to like if you like this video, share with your friends to get more knowledge about Angular, or just even comment what do you think about this video. Um, just subscribe to my channel, and then see you all in the next video where we go to start building our actual first Angular project. Thank you for your attention.